Hello everyone, welcome to this workshop on basic SPSS, statistical package for social sciences. Today we are talking about the means comparison that we can find in the analysis list, and we will take a simple example. So let's start together. First, we launch the app from the menu we can type PASW, so we can find this version of statistics 18. We have this is the first window came up. We can choose type and data. Actually, we have data that we already prepared. So basically what we are going to talk about today is from this list, analyze. I'm going to compare means on means. So we are going to talk about this part. Okay, they're suggesting opening data file. We already have some data files that is downloaded before with the extension SAV. It's called the class means. So we open this specific data file. So the file is uploaded by the software. We see here the class column and the student score. If we go back to the PPT, for the comparing means, we want to find the means. We want to find if there are any differences between the means of the student score according to their class. So we have class 1, students have a score with some subject, and we have the class 2, and there's another different students. Maybe we are checking the differences between the teaching way or the teacher way of teaching. So we want to check the results if there's any differences between the two classes. Now this is the file that we open the class means. Let's go back to the file. Now we can view the data here from data view. We can see here the class 1, this is the first class, and this is the second class. Okay, we have around 12 students from the second class and 9 students from the first, and this is not a problem because the software will do the comparison regardless of if it is equal numbers of individuals or not. So now we go to analysis. We go to compare means. The dependent variable is the student score, and the independent variable are the class. So we take this one to here and this one to here. Why this is because we are checking the differences between the student score. So the independent variable is the class number. So we are checking if the student score are affected by the class. So the independent variable is the class. If we have another category or another layer of independent list, we can check here and add the next list. Now check option if there's anything. This is the things that will outcome means, number of cases, standard deviation. We can add if we need the range, for example, the minimum, maximum, variance, cortices, standard of cortices, anything else we need. So let's see the results. Okay, Here's the means processing. Now we have these two tables, the reported tables. So first, in this table we included all the cases, the 22 cases. We took the percentage of what we take. It's all the cases, 100%. We didn't exclude any cases, which is this is the missing values, and this is the total. This reports talk about the descriptive statistics of the two classes. So in this first class, 71 is the average of score. The second class is 73. So the second class has a higher score than, like, average score than the first class, and the differences is 2. We can see the standard deviation. The second class has more standard deviation, which is less reliable comparing to this first class, which is 6.9. This is 9.8. Because of you can see the range. This can reflect what the average between the two. It's the variance, the root of the variance. So it tells us how the cases are spread from the minimum to the maximum values. So this one is less spread. It's less spread. So this is the minimum and the maximum, 60 and 80. The minimum, maximum, 60 and 97. So we have bigger range here, and the individuals, all the cases, students' scores are more variant than the second group, the first group. So this is the total. The total is, if we take the average mean for all cases, this give us the 72. And here is the number of cases. This is 13, not 12. I said 12, and the first one is 9. Okay. So in general, can we say this is different or not? Actually, they are different. Like, if we take mathematically speaking, it's different, but statistically speaking, it depends on the confidence level, and so we can check statistically by the next tests. So we have another test that we will do.